Welcome to your journey towards achieving 10 million YouTube views. Here, in the bustling city of Bangalore, where creativity meets opportunity, we find ourselves at the epicenter of India's vibrant digital landscape. This isn't just any city, it's a hub where aspiring YouTubers come to life, brimming with stories waiting to be told. Imagine for a moment what it would mean to capture the imagination of millions. The challenge is real, but so are the possibilities. In this city, where every corner tells a story, we explore the power of innovative storytelling, a tool that transforms ordinary content into extraordinary experiences. Today, we embark on a quest that not only sets the stage for you, but also inspires countless creators in this dynamic metropolis. As we delve into the heart of Bangalore's YouTube scene, we'll uncover the secrets to crafting narratives that resonate with viewers, leading you towards your goal of 10 million views. Through this video, you'll discover how to harness storytelling as a catalyst for growth. Learn how the art of narrative can elevate your channel, turning simple videos into compelling journeys that captivate and engage audiences. So, whether you're an emerging creator or a seasoned storyteller looking to expand your reach, this is your moment. Join us as we navigate the path to success, armed with creativity and innovation. Stay with us as we explore the challenges you may face and reveal powerful solutions that will guide you on your way. Together, we'll unlock the potential of your channel and set you on the path to achieving those coveted 10 million views. In the ever-evolving world of YouTube, every content creator is on a quest to stand out. But as many have discovered, this journey is fraught with challenges. For aspiring YouTubers in Bangalore, the competitive nature of the platform can be daunting. Imagine uploading your latest masterpiece, only for it to disappear into the vast sea of content. This is the reality for many, where visibility and engagement are constant battles. With countless channels vying for attention, gaining those elusive views seems like a distant dream. Yet, understanding these hurdles is the first step toward overcoming them. By identifying the common obstacles faced by YouTubers, we can begin to craft strategies that turn these challenges into opportunities for growth. As we delve deeper into this video, we'll explore storytelling techniques that promise to transform your channel. So stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to capturing the attention of millions and take that crucial first step in our journey toward achieving 10 million views. Join us as we turn these challenges into stepping stones for success and prepare to embrace the power of storytelling in the next segment. In the world of digital content, where countless creators strive to capture the audience's attention, storytelling emerges as a transformative force. More than just a technique, storytelling is an art, a powerful tool that can elevate your channel to new heights. Imagine crafting narratives that not only captivate, but also resonate deeply with your viewers, turning them into loyal followers. Stories have the unique ability to engage viewers on an emotional level, creating a connection that transcends the screen. By weaving compelling tales, you can significantly boost viewership and engagement on your channel. In Bangalore's vibrant and competitive YouTube scene, embracing storytelling isn't just an option, it's a necessity. By leveraging the art of storytelling, you can stand out in a sea of content and pave your way to achieving 10 million views. Stay tuned as we explore innovative techniques to master this craft and truly captivate your audience. Innovation is the key to standing out. In the dynamic world of YouTube, where content is king, it's the creative storytelling that truly crowns you. Today, we explore groundbreaking techniques that have transformed channels into success stories. Imagine crafting narratives that not only captivate, but also linger in the minds of viewers long after they've clicked away. Let's begin by examining the strategies employed by some of the most successful YouTubers. These creators have mastered the art of weaving stories that resonate deeply with their audience. What makes their storytelling so effective? It's the innovative approach they adopt, breaking conventions and setting new trends. Now, how can you apply these techniques to your own content? It begins with understanding your unique voice and the message you wish to convey. By experimenting with different formats and structures, you can create a narrative that not only entertains, but also educates and inspires. As we delve deeper into these innovative methods, remember that storytelling is an evolving art. In the next segment, we'll explore how to craft a unique narrative that is authentic and resonates with your audience. Your story is your power, a beacon that can light the path to success in the bustling digital world of Bangalore. In this segment, we'll guide you on crafting a narrative that's not just unique, but authentically yours. Imagine your story as a finely woven tapestry, each thread reflecting your personality, your passions, and your perspective. It's this authenticity that captivates audiences, drawing them into your world. But authenticity alone isn't enough. Your story must align with what your audience cares about. Think of it as a dance, where you lead by understanding their interests and desires. By doing so, you not only tell a story, they feel it, relate to it, and are moved by it. This is how you create a connection that resonates deeply, transforming casual viewers into loyal followers. As we delve deeper into building your unique story, remember, every narrative you craft should be a reflection of your truth, tailored to engage and inspire your audience. Next, we will explore how emotional storytelling can further elevate your content, creating bonds that not only capture attention, but also ignite lasting connections. In the quest to captivate audiences and achieve the monumental milestone of 10 million views, one element stands above all: emotional storytelling. Imagine content that doesn't just inform, but moves people, creating bonds that transcend the screen. Emotions drive engagement, turning casual viewers into passionate advocates. Building an emotional connection isn't just a skill, it's an art. By weaving emotions into your narrative, you tap into the universal human experience. Techniques such as relatable characters, compelling story arcs, and authentic moments can transform your content into a powerful force. Consider the success stories of YouTubers who have mastered this art, their content resonating deeply with millions. They show us that when you touch hearts, you inspire action. As you craft your videos, think of the emotions you want to evoke and how these feelings can forge a lasting connection with your audience. In the next segment, we'll explore how visual excellence complements emotional storytelling, enhancing your narrative and captivating viewers further. Stay tuned as we dive into the world where visuals speak louder than words. Visuals speak louder than words, especially in the world of YouTube, where first impressions are everything. High-quality visuals can transform a simple story into a compelling narrative that captivates viewers from Bangalore to beyond. Imagine using crisp, stunning images and videos that not only tell a story, but enhance every detail, making the ordinary extraordinary. Visual storytelling techniques allow you to convey complex emotions and ideas swiftly, engaging your audience on a deeper level without uttering a single word. Consider how premium visuals can elevate your content, drawing viewers in and holding their attention longer. They can make your channel stand out in Bangalore's vibrant YouTube scene, setting a new standard for quality and creativity. By integrating these visuals thoughtfully, you create an immersive experience that resonates with viewers, encouraging shares and increasing viewership. As you embark on this journey of visual excellence, remember that your story deserves to be seen in the best light possible. Up next, we'll explore the importance of maintaining consistency in your content creation, ensuring that your audience remains engaged and loyal. Let's dive into how consistency can build trust and expand your reach. Consistency builds trust. In the world of YouTube, it's not just about creating content, it's about delivering it consistently. Imagine tuning into your favorite show only to find it missing for weeks. Frustrating, right? As content creators, maintaining a regular upload schedule is crucial. It signals reliability and keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. But it's not just about frequency. Consistency in storytelling style is equally vital. Your audience should feel a familiar rhythm, a recognizable voice that resonates with them each time they hit play. This steadfast approach nurtures a loyal community, eager to engage and share your journey. So how do you ensure consistency? Start by crafting a content calendar. Plan ahead and stick to your story's unique voice. Over time, this unwavering commitment will cultivate a dedicated following, eager to propel your channel towards that coveted 10 million views milestone. As we delve deeper into this journey, we'll explore how analytics can further refine your approach, ensuring that each story you tell is even more impactful than the last. Stay tuned as we uncover the power of data-driven storytelling in our next segment. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, data is your greatest ally. As we navigate the middle stages of developing our solution, we turn to analytics to sharpen our storytelling prowess. Data doesn't lie, and it's here to guide us in refining our content with precision. Imagine having a roadmap that highlights what resonates with your audience and what doesn't. By tapping into the power of analytics, we adapt and evolve, shaping our narratives to better captivate and engage. Feedback becomes our compass, steering us towards continuous improvement. As you craft your unique story, remember that every view, every like, and every comment offers invaluable insight. This is your chance to embrace a cycle of perpetual enhancement, where storytelling meets science. The journey to achieving 10 million views isn't just about innovation, it's about informed creativity. So let data illuminate your path as you hone your craft and unlock your channel's full potential. Next, we'll explore the transformative power of collaboration, where joining forces with fellow creators can exponentially expand your reach and storytelling impact. Stay tuned as we delve into the art of working together for greater success. In the vibrant world of YouTube, where content is king and creativity reigns, collaboration emerges as a powerful ally. Imagine the impact when two creative forces come together. By partnering with fellow YouTubers, you not only expand your reach, but also enrich your storytelling. Together, you can weave narratives that captivate and engage audiences on a whole new level. Think of collaboration as a multiplier, amplifying your message and extending your influence beyond what you could achieve alone. In Bangalore's bustling YouTube scene, this approach can be a game changer, propelling your content to new heights. As you join forces, you tap into each other's strengths, unlocking potential that can transform your channel's trajectory. It's about creating stories that are not just seen but felt, resonating deeply with viewers. By collaborating, you open doors to fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and a shared vision that can lead to exponential growth. Embrace this strategy and watch your channel flourish as you connect with new audiences and build a community around shared stories. Up next, we'll dive into real-life success stories, learning from those who've mastered the art of collaboration and storytelling. In the vibrant city of Bangalore, a hub of creativity and innovation, a new breed of YouTubers have mastered the art of storytelling, transforming their channels into incredible success stories. These creators have cracked the code, not through shortcuts, but by harnessing the power of narrative to captivate their audience. Success leaves clues, and today, we delve into the journeys of these remarkable individuals who have turned their storytelling prowess into millions of views. Let's explore how they craft compelling narratives that resonate deeply with viewers, creating a loyal community eager for more. By analyzing their storytelling strategies, we uncover the techniques that engage audiences and drive exponential growth. These YouTubers have shown that a well-told story can elevate content from ordinary to extraordinary, setting a standard for aspiring creators. Their journeys offer invaluable lessons on persistence, creativity, and the strategic use of storytelling elements to connect on an emotional level. As we learn from their experiences, let us be inspired to apply these insights to our own channels, paving the way towards achieving that coveted 10 million views. Up next, we'll develop a roadmap to translate these storytelling strategies into actionable plans for success. Picture this: you've learned the techniques, embraced the art of storytelling, and now it's time to strategize. Welcome to your roadmap to success. Here in the vibrant city of Bangalore, we'll develop a strategy aimed squarely at achieving that elusive 10 million views. First, align your storytelling with clear goals. It's not just about telling a story, it's about crafting a narrative that resonates deeply with your audience. Next, let's implement the techniques we've explored. Innovation and creativity are your allies. Use them to weave a tapestry of content that captivates and holds the viewer's attention. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly deliver high-quality content that stays true to your narrative style and engages your audience time and time again. As we strategize, we also adapt. Use feedback and analytics to refine your approach, ensuring that each step moves you closer to that 10 million milestone. So let's get started. With a clear plan and the right mindset, achieving 10 million views isn't just a dream, it's a destination within reach. Ready to take the next step? Stay tuned for overcoming obstacles on this exciting journey. In the quest for YouTube success, challenges are inevitable, especially in the bustling creative scene of Bangalore. But remember, every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Anticipating these hurdles is your first step towards triumph. Imagine the roadblocks that might appear on your journey to 10 million views: competition, engagement struggles, or creative blocks. With foresight and preparation, these can be tackled head-on. Now let's delve into the strategies. Embrace innovative storytelling as your shield. Craft narratives that not only engage but also resonate deeply with your audience. Stay motivated by setting clear goals and celebrating small victories along the way. Persistence is key, for every setback is a setup for a comeback. As you navigate this path, keep your vision in sight. Picture the day when your channel achieves that monumental milestone. Let that image fuel your determination and creativity. Challenges are not the end, they're part of the hero's journey to success. With the right mindset and strategies, no challenge is insurmountable. Get ready to face them with confidence and creativity. In the next segment, we'll explore how to put these strategies into action. As we stand at the brink of our journey, it's time to bring our storytelling plan to life. This is the moment where ideas transform into actions. Picture the vibrant streets of Bangalore. Each step you take echoes with potential and creativity. Now, take that first step. Put your storytelling plan into motion. Remember, the path to 10 million views requires more than just a start. It demands persistence. Monitor your progress like a seasoned navigator, adjusting your course with each new insight. The beauty of storytelling lies in its flexibility and adaptability. Stay committed to your vision, because every story has moments of doubt and uncertainty. Yet, it is in these moments that true resilience is forged. With each video you create, you're not just adding content, you're crafting a narrative that connects, inspires, and engages. So let's make every view count. Your journey is not just about numbers, it's about creating a lasting impact. As we prepare for the next segment, remember that the road to success is paved with action and dedication. Now, let's transition into the final chapter of our journey towards those 10 million views. You've embarked on an incredible journey to achieving 10 million views, and now, armed with powerful strategies, it's time to take the next step. We've explored the vibrant YouTube scene in Bangalore, delved into the art of storytelling, and uncovered innovative techniques that set successful creators apart. Throughout this journey, we've seen how authenticity and emotional connection can transform your content into a magnetic force. Remember, the path to 10 million views isn't just about numbers. It's about crafting stories that resonate deeply and consistently delivering quality that captivates your audience. You've learned to harness the power of analytics, adapt through feedback, and collaborate for broader reach. Now, the roadmap is clear, and the tools are in your hands. This is your call to action. It's time to implement what you've learned, to take bold steps forward with confidence and creativity. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your channel, know that every view is a step closer to your goal. Today marks the beginning of your transformation from an aspiring creator into a storytelling powerhouse. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and let your unique voice shine through every piece of content you create. The world is waiting for your story, and your journey to 10 million views starts now. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring adventure. Stay committed, stay inspired, and most importantly, keep creating. Here's to your success on YouTube and beyond.